Ano kayang puwedeng gawin ko bukas? Alam mo 'yun, maglalakad, magfi-fishing, or maglakad tayo, exercise. So, ang ending, naglakad-lakad na tayo. 'Yun ang naging kinahinatnan ng ating labis na pag-iisip, ay maglakad. Dala ang ating handy-dandy camera just in case may magandang mapicturean. Walking tayo dito sa Clandud, no? Alam mo, gusto ko yung nagpipicture ng mga ganyan eh. Yung mga banding ng mga mag-aama. Kasi, namimiss ko kasi yung mga anak ko eh. Time check, 11. Magtatanghalian na pero nakapag-brunch na tayo. So, pwede na yan hanggang hapon. Hanggang hapunan na yan.
What camera you got?
A7C.
Yeah, nice. I got A7 IV.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah,
Better.
I love it. Yeah, I'm a photographer.
No, I'm just trying it as a hobby.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It's a good camera though.
I'm just learning it.
Yeah? Are you shooting on manual?
Yeah, manual, yeah.
See, everybody doesn't shoot on manual.
Yeah, before I always shoot at auto.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to explore manual. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what to shoot.
Awesome. You on Instagram?
Yeah, I have an Instagram.
Yeah, I'll drop you a follow. I love photography, so it's just cool.
I'm just trying to learn, like, yeah, this is my...
Let's have a look.
So as you can see, some of my photos, like...
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I love it, man. It's some good work, though. Like, look at that. Look
Yeah.
at that shooting through there.
Yeah, I saw like roaming around, just, yeah.
Yeah, it's really cool. I love photography. This is some of my stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm just... Oh, you're very professional. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and then stuff like that.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I love flash, like flash photography. I do food as well.
Are you doing it as a freelance, something like that?
So like me and my partner have got our own business.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. So like we do weddings, we do everything. Like we do weddings, pet, iris photography.
Oh yes, I saw it in Chaser Oak.
Yeah.
They have it there. I said, what? It's in my blog as well. I usually roam around with my...
Yeah. You go.
Yeah. So we went to Chaser Oak and I saw this iris iris, like they frame it. I said,
Yeah.
what the heck? That's so nice.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we
so
do that,
amazing.
Yeah, photos, people, weddings, pets, like all of it.
Oh, all
So
right.
if you've got a camera and you can make money from it,
So yeah, I'm just trying to learn bit by bit.
yeah. Photographer.
No. Trying.
My partner.
Hello. Happy Halloween. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, I was just live nearby. That's why during my days off, I just roam around. So
Yeah.
if you can see my photo, it's like, it's everything here.
Yeah, keep going.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you as well.
Warren. What's your name?
My name's Craig.
Craig.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
I will follow you back and
Yeah, nice one, brother. You have a good day.
You too. See ya. So, minamit pa tayo na photographer. Siyempre, kailangan humble lang tayo. Kasi hindi naman talaga tayo marunong. Di ba? Humble ka lang kasi mga gaya nun, mga photographer talaga. Tinuturoan pa niya ako, di ba? Gusto ko makakaga na ma-meet mo eh. So, ipapollow back natin siya sa kanyang IG. So, i-link na lang natin yung kanyang channel. Kala mo naman may nanonood talaga. So yeah, just in case yung nanonood, tapos gusto ma-check yung picture ni Craig. So, ililink natin dito kasi pinalo na niya ako sa IG. So, ang ending natin, naglakad-lakad tayo ngayon. Magpapakapagod tayo ngayon. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Clandud, no? Ang pinakasikat na pier dito sa North Wales, I assume. The most famous pier in North Wales. Assume ko lang yun. Ganda naman ng Vespa ba ito? Vespa. Vespa.
Right, son.
Yeah, just saying it Vespa.
Yeah.
It's quite popular in Philippines as well.
Okay, man. Get on it and I'll take one of you.
No, it's fine.
You're right, yeah?
Yeah, that's good. Vespa. It's Vespa as well.
Lambretta.
Lambretta.
Both Italian.
Ah. Nice.
So there's arch rivals, Lambretta and Vespa was.
Vespa just.
Shut up, listen. 40 years old,
40.
and that one's 40.
Oh, that's nice.
No stickers. Paint. Airbrush.
Airbrush.
Airbrush, man.
Oh, yeah,
And that,
it is. No sticker, huh? Well, just
250. Ring, ring. 100 mile an hour. 100 mile an hour.
oh. So I think I have seen some Vespa is like parked on some of the hotel. Do you have
See
a?
down there, there's a show. And you
All right.
pay to go in, and there's custom scooters.
Yeah. Are you having a event here?
Yeah. It's the last one of the year.
All right.
You know
So
I
what
mean?
time are you gonna?
It should be
in
open.
line?
It should be open in about half hour. You'll see all the scooters.
Yeah.
Pay on the door. I think it's about £10.
Load with lots and lots.
Yeah. All
But
right.
they're very good ones, man.
Yeah.
All airbrush painted.
Like £30,000 worth.
This one?
Gold.
This one, not last year, won the best in Europe, this one.
Oh.
What are you studying?
No, I'm not studying. I'm working in Conway.
So skip natin yung moment na yan kasi humaba yung topic namin dyan. Dami namin pinag-usapan dyan about sa politics, mga business dito. So skip na natin. Punta na lang tayo dun sa show. Ngayon, kung maganda yung panahon, pupunta tayo. Pag hindi, uwi tayo.
Yeah. All right. See you.
Mate, you
Bye-bye.
wouldn't. But go in that show.
Yeah. Well,
Better than these. Better. Honestly, there, man. Get your camera working.
all right. You too.
You have a
Bye.
good day, man.
Bye. So meron silang event. Napahunta na naman ang anak ng inay eh. Naubos na naman yung English natin yung paisa. Oh. Napagkamala na naman tayong mga estudyante, mga kapatid.
What are you studying?
Kung napagkamala naman po ang inyong abang lingkod ng estudyante.
What are you studying?
Kung ano daw inaaral ko din eh. Nga naman, di ba? Baby face. Baby face check. Di ba? Hindi nila alam eh. 40 na po ako. Di ba? 40 years old na tayo. Mukha lang tayong bata pala. Pero meron na tayong mga binata. So try nating hanapin yung yung event ng scooter. Sinearch ko siya sa Binyo Camry. So check natin, lakad muna tayo. Konti lang naman yun sa Binyo Camry. Vespa. Ganda ng Vespa. Grabe, ang ganda. Vespa. Bago-bago pa. How are you, mate? How are life?
So for info, yan ay aming ex-colleague. So lumipat na siya ng company. So ang dami namin pinag-usapin dyan tungkol sa trabaho. Tungkol sa trabaho talaga. So lahat ng tawag dito, lahat ng drama sa trabaho. Pero wala na siya sa company namin. Pero ano pa rin naman kami. Friends pa rin naman kami. So yun, skip na natin yan.
Take care, ha? So ito na yung mga motor. Ang mga nagagandahang motor. Oh. Gaganda ng motor.
I've seen your brother up there.
Have you been in yet?
No, not yet.
Have you all done?
Oh, it's ang gaganda ng Vespa. Oof. Ang pogi. Sabihin niyo Camry nga yung event. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ang linis, oh. Yan. Grabe yung Vespa yan. Ang ganda, oh. Cute naman yan. Bago to. Ito, bago to. Bago. Oh, old school, oh. Lamberta. Ito yung nakita ko kanina. Ang ganda. Turismo. O, diba? Ang ganda. Hello. Oh, yung ganda nito. Ang ganda nito. Ay, ito naman, oh. Gray. Gray is gray. Ah, ay, ang pogi nito. Ang pogi. Usapang pogi. Ang pogi ng motor mo. Napakaangas. Dumadami pa sila. Ang dami nila. Ba? Pogi. Ganda nung green niya. Outstanding.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Ito maganda. May sidecar. Vespa. Moto Vespa. Pogi. Pupunta pa tayo? Okay, sayang 10.